Hi everyone, Phoebe Nubisi here, and in this video I will show you how to set up an Azure DevOps repository to be able to push your Power Platform solution and track the version history. You will be able to go back to previous version or use a new version, or if you work in teams, a group of people together, you'll be able to merge your work together in just one place. Yes, so let's start. Let's go first to Chrome. In Chrome, here we are on the Azure portal. You just type portalazure.com. So once you do that, you search for Azure DevOps and then you click on it and you click on View My Organization. Once you do that, you can create your organization if it doesn't exist yet. I already have one, so you can also create a new project. I already have one as well. Once you have that, you click on Repo on this menu left and you will have your repository, or you can click here and create a new repository. I already created one. It only has a readme, and also if I click on clone, this is the link that I will use to clone it locally. That being said, let's go back to our VS Code. I will show you the structure of our project. We have the main project, we have the main solution structure that has all our projects that we built locally. So this, we will connect it to Git and it will have all the subfolders. That means we have the big project, the big solution, the big repository, and on that big repository we have project A, project B, project C. So that's how we will build our project. So on the main one, let's do git init. So we initialize git on this folder. After that, the next step after the git init, it will be to add the remote origin. So let's do git remote add origin, and we add our remote origin. So once we have that, what we will do git add to add everything. To that. Oh, hopefully I added to the right one. Oh, I took the wrong. Let me see the command that I did. No, it was the right one. Yeah, it was the right one. Okay, so the next one is that we are going to do the commit. So we did the commit. Now after the commit, we are going to push it because we want it to use our local structure. So it says error source ref main does not match any. Let's do git branch master. So we do go to the main. And then let's try again. All right, so it's pushing all our project in the main branch. So after this, let's run this git push set upstream origin main. So we are setting the upstream to the main branch. It says everything is up to date and the main branch is set up to track our work that we are doing right now. So we have everything up to date, and if you click here on source control, we are able to see our project. We are able to see the initial commit there, and yeah, so we are pushing the project, we are pushing the updates of one project, but the structure is that the folder has many other sub projects. Now you can choose to do as you like. That's just the way I decided to do for this one. And yeah, and once you make an update, let's say I make an update to the folder. Let me go back to the Explorer. Also make sure that your git ignore has the right file to ignore. So let me maybe make an edit here, edit to cloud, and I will save it. Once I save it, I go to source control. It shows me that I have some changes. So what I will do, I will stage all the changes. Once I do that, and then I will write the change, changing on cloud md observation, and then I will commit. Alright, and I will commit and I will sync the changes. It said this action will pull and push the commit to the main branch. I will say okay. But once you work in a group of people, it will be different. On my case, this is what it showed, and you see this is the second change that is tracking everywhere. And if I go back on Chrome, trying to make sure that it shows you the Chrome page, and I refresh the right repository. Yes, it's showing it now. You see that I have everything here. I have the clone one, I have the demo project, I have the ops, I have the screenshot, I have everything. And yeah, I have the history. This is a demo, this is the clone. So it's telling me that there's another git inside that ops pilot apparently. And this one too, there's another git on the ops project. Alright, so if you have any question, let me know. This is just for you to track the versioning of your project using Azure DevOps. You can create many other branches and work on your project here. Thank you. See you on the next video.